Oh, what are you doing? Hmm? What are you
doing? So just to start out, why don't you tell me of your adventure of finding the light?
Actually, we at around 5:30 our local time, we went to the other previous place where we had met from because it was an open space. It is an open background. And then we sent you, of course, a message. I think you saw it. But it kept on getting darker and darker and darker. when you were dreaming. And of course, finally, when you appeared, I think it was coming to around 8 p.m. here. And then, of course, 8 p.m. is more dark. So we tried to look for a room around which has some light. We got to one, but there was a lot of noise in the background. And then we had to shift and move to another place. And finally, here we are. We feel it's not the best light, but it's better. It's better than where we are before.
Well, I hope you forgive me. If anyone, for the people watching, we were supposed to have a morning meeting here and a night meeting there, and I slept in, and but you're here and you're still here. So I mean, just for people watching, I guess there's not a lot of electricity or light around where you are, or?
Yeah, actually where we are, the challenge at the moment, especially at night, we have the electricity, but it's not really that clear. We have some electricity, but the light is not clear at all. The background is not the best. Yeah, we have the electricity, but you know, our lighting systems are not the best.
Okay. Okay. Well, how are you guys doing? Do you want to check in?
We're doing well. Personally, I'm doing well. We've come with a new colleague of ours. We brought somebody on the team. Moses has been with us. Moses has been with us, but his wife is not feeling so well. So he waited for 2 hours, and he really had to move on. Yeah, and so this new other colleague is his name is Julius.
Hi, Julius.
And he can introduce himself in a few sentences.
Okay.
Yeah. I am Julius. How is the evening?
What's that? Are you asking how my evening is?
Yes.
Well, this is morning.
sorry.
It's morning there, yeah.
And I'm a little embarrassed, but other than that, it's okay. It's good. It's good. Really good to see you guys.
Okay.
You're supposed to say something about you.
These guys are my friends. We work together. So we have decided to come together. They brought me, so we are together now.
Yes, Elijah, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine.
Good.
This is Francis. And Francis is doing well.
Excellent.
I hope you're also doing well over there.
Well, I'm about to lose this space. This is the last week in this space. So that's a bit of a drag because, as you know, you need a space to kind of do your thing.
Okay. Why?
I have it's like a studio. It's kind of a bit of a schoolroom. What's going on here? Someone else coming in?
No, these are some of our friends. We had sent them somewhere for some stuff for it, and they brought for us our supper.
Okay. Bring everybody in.
Yeah, please.
So you're sharing with us that you're about to leave that place?
Yes. Just at the end of the month, the building was sold and we're evicted, and have to find a new sort of place. And this was, I had this for about 6 months. And so a lot of my own work got, as you know, you need a space, right? To do your school, to do your thing.
Yeah.
Have all the resources around you. But so I want to know about the value system. You chose the values, and I would like to share with you now something. I'm going to do a share screen with you. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.